Cleaning up after big shared meals is a breeze with this Grundig dishwasher thanks to the spacious capacity with room for up to 15 place settings. A 5-year guarantee for parts and labour offers long-term protection, assuring you of build quality and durability, so you can enjoy absolute peace of mind knowing that your appliance is covered. The auto program assesses the level of dirt on your dishes and automatically determines the appropriate wash temperature and duration, as well as the optimal amount of water for your dishes, ensuring all dishes come out sparkling clean no matter how heavily soiled. The active self-cleaning filter stays cleaner for longer by rinsing itself regularly, which means that's one less job for you to have to do. This prevents unpleasant odours and keeps the performance level at a high standard. This dishwasher from Grundig has an A++ energy rating to provide an efficient performance that doesn't compromise on cleaning quality.